When you invest in retractable screens for your home or your business, you want to get the benefit of that for a long time. You want to know that they're going to be there for you. When we build our screens, we look at it that way. We want to know that if we put them on our house, they would continue to work for as long as they were expected to.
Now, we know the customers want to press a button, screens go up, press a button, screens go down. And that's about all they want to think about for the screens. Ended up building a system that doesn't really need a lot of maintenance, doesn't need a lot of service. It performs the way a customer would expect without surprises. My name's Michael Murray. I'm the president of Fenetex.
My name is Meridith Anzulis. I'm CEO of Fenetex. It's very much a balance in the way that we think. Michael's much more the big picture visionary guy. He sees where we're going, and it's my job to figure out how to get there.
We have complementary skill sets. When I design these and I'm thinking about how we can make it, I'm always thinking about how can we make it the best it can be. I just don't like things that don't work well. I find that to be a pet peeve of mine. You know, things poorly designed and don't work, they're just annoying. And I don't want to create an annoying product that we put out in the market. So there's a lot that goes into it so that at the end of the day, it works and does what it's supposed to do.
You know if you're getting something from Fenetex, you're getting the highest quality thing that's out there. We all want to make sure that you know Fenetex is going to work for you, it's going to last, that each product has longevity as well as reliability, it's not going to rust out, it's not going to wear out. You know that it is designed to work over and over again. When you push that button, it's going to do what it's supposed to do.
We design and manufacture all the components. And what that does is lets us control the quality. It also lets us control the supply.
So we bring things under our own control when we feel like the offerings outside of our control are not up to our standards. Starts from the very smallest little part that caps a track all the way to the end delivery, where we were having trouble with shipping damage and we couldn't get product to certain places without it getting bounced around in a terminal by a carrier. So we bought a truck and we offer delivery service now, so it's really end-to-end service.
What the truck did for us that I liked the most is that it gave us the ability to make anybody a local dealer, more or less, because now we can just hand it off directly. And so it's our trucks, our employees, and they drive a route, and it basically is as if someone were standing in front of our factory, and we could just deliver that factory right to the person. We instituted a lifetime warranty for the products that we make. And we did that because we got the production to a point where they just stopped being problems, as a way to let customers know that, hey, if you buy a screen from us, you're not going to have to buy another one.
Most of our transactions are with our dealer base. So these are people who buy from us again and again. They learn to work with us. We learn who they are. We have personal relationships with them as well as business relationships. We get to know them as people. And so that makes us vested in their success as well as in our own, because for our company to succeed, our dealers have to succeed as well. And that makes a recipe for success all up and down the line.